How to fix NFC not working on Samsung. So if you want to fix the NFC not working on your Samsung phones, then the first thing you can do is you can go for the settings and go for connections, and under connections you will have an option of nearby device scanning. So make sure that you have that option turned on. Once you turn that option on, now you need to go for your settings, open up your settings and go for developer options, scroll down, go for system, go for developer options. Make sure to turn this option on, and once you have this option turned on, you need to scroll down and find an option which is NFC stack debug log, and here you will have the option, right? So you need to simply toggle that option on. Once you toggle that option on, you need to go back and then you need to find the NFC app and clear the cache. So go back again, and here you need to go for apps. Under apps you need to go for see all apps. Under all apps you need to go for the upper right, which has a three dots icon, and tap on show system apps. And once you tap on show system apps, now you need to go for the search and search for NFC. And if you have the NFC application, you need to simply go for clear cache and clear all of your cache on your NFC application. Once you've done that, now you need to go back and need to restart your device. Simply press and hold on to your power button, and you need to restart or reboot your device. And once you've done that, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your NFC not working on your Android or Samsung device. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.